guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And for today's video, we're going to be playing Subway Surfers World Town. Okay, so I'm going to check and see where I am on the top runs. And don't mind if there's a little bit of lag, because I can't really fix, because I just can't. And yeah, stuff like that. So I can't really change much of what I'm doing because, well, I'm gonna go top run. So I'm in way at the bottom. This wouldn't be too hard. Yep, it's lagging again. Well,
worldwide phenomenon continues with the Frozen 2 sing-along. Experience all your favorite songs all over again. Frozen 2, rated PG. Now playing.
so guys, don't mind if there's an ad time to time. I can't help that. Neither can I skip it. Well, excuse me. Well, thing is, I really love playing Subway Surfers. And I don't like dying. So, neither do you, I bet you, because who likes dying on a game that you're not supposed to die on? See? That's the part I don't get, is why do we have these word searches? Do we make like a big word at the end? Like a big word, like a big word that could like you make a big fat sentence that says, you win the whole game. Like, or you have completed 5 different puzzles. Yeah, stuff like that. It's the stuff that I get confused about really easily. More easily than you get confused about what is bibbly bobbly boobly bobbly spell. How is that spelled? Not even I know. I just came up with it. How did I come up with that stupid of something? That's how. To me, that's baby talk. So. Man, why do I keep on dying? I'm using all my keys. Why does this same ad keep on coming up? Well, next time I die, I'm going to call this a video over, because it's next time I die, which that's going to be a little while. Well, next time I die. I didn't say next time I die. I said next time. Next time I die. Oh. Well, guys, I'm going to call that it for today's video. So, you have a good day. Have a good night, whatever time of day it is, whatever time of night it is. But whatever type of day, night it is, you have a very, 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 very Merry Christmas. day or night. Okay? Peace out.